The little learner. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a baby named Ali. Ali was curious about everything around him. His parents, Farah and Ahmed, were hard-working farmers who valued education. They wanted Ali to grow up understanding the importance of learning. Every evening, Farah would read stories to Ali, even though he was just a baby. She believed that instilling a love for books and learning should start early. As Ali grew older, he became fascinated with the colorful pictures and the stories of adventure and wisdom his mother shared. One day, a wise teacher named Mr. Karim visited the village. He told the villagers, "Education is the key to a better future. It opens doors to opportunities and helps us understand the world." Farah and Ahmed decided to send Ali to Mr. Karim's school when he was old enough. At school, Ali learned to read, write, and solve puzzles. He discovered the joy of learning new things every day. One day, Mr. Karim announced that there would be a big competition next week. The smartest student would win a special prize. Ali was excited and started working hard. The day of the competition arrived. Ali had prepared well, but just as the competition started, the power went out. The room was plunged into darkness. All the children were scared. Suddenly, a mysterious shadow appeared, moving around the room. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for your support. Everyone's hearts were pounding. Mr. Karim took out a flashlight and approached the shadow. It turned out to be a rat that had entered the room and cut the wire. Everyone sighed in relief. Ali scored the highest points in the competition and won the prize. Ali's dedication to his studies paid off. He excelled in school and earned a scholarship to a renowned university. He worked hard and became a successful scientist. His inventions and discoveries brought progress and prosperity to his village. Ali's story spread throughout the village and beyond, inspiring other children to value education and pursue their dreams. Ali always remembered his parents' wisdom and Mr. Karim's teachings. Education is very important for life. It helps us grow, achieve our dreams, and make the world a better place. And so, Ali lived a fulfilling life, always grateful for the love of learning instilled in him from a young age, proving that education truly is the key to a better future. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much.